Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to change the color theme of Twitch app. Also I wonder why you want to know how to change the color theme on Twitch. It is because you are someone who prefers the darker theme, so you want to make the theme darker. Or maybe if a person who uses a mobile on the daytime mostly, so you want the light theme because you think it is more easily to use the app, or it could be any other reason for you to do that. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First you have to make sure that you have already installed a Twitch app in your mobile phone from Google Play Store or App Store, and once it get installed make sure you have already created your account on it. After that just simply tap on the icon of the app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. All over the screen we have many options, but at the bottom we have four main options. Currently we are in the following one. This one is the discover one, where you could discover different content, and here you could browse different kind of things based on of their categories and live videos. And through this option, if you want to search for something special, you can search that. So now what you have to do is that you have to make sure that you are in the following section, which is the first option there. Once you get there, at the top you will see your profile picture or profile icon. So you just have to simply tap on it to open this. Once you tap here at the top, you will see the title of account, and there you will see different options. So from all these options, what you have to do is that you have to select this last option, which is appearance. Appearance means theme or color of the app, so just tap on it. At the top, you will see the title of the appearance. That means we are at the right place. Through this option, we could easily change the color theme, or you could say the color mode of the app. So here we have only one option, but we will get another option if we turn this option off. So through first option, if your system has a dark theme, then it will automatically detect the dark theme. But if your system has a light theme, then it will select the light theme. Once you unfold it, the dark theme will pop up. So if you want to enable it, then enable it and the dark theme will appear. But if you click on it, it will convert into white theme. That means the dark theme gets turned off. So if you're a person who prefers using the mobile at the night time, so I would suggest you that you would go with a dark theme. But if you're a person who uses the mobile mostly on the daytime, then you can go with a light theme. Otherwise, it's all up to you. Whatever theme you prefer, you can go with it. You can even go with your systems. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change the appearance of the Twitch app. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.